Okay, hello everyone. Today we're not playing any games. This is a tutorial on Android. We're gonna learn on how to make EAS scenarios on iPhone and Android. I know, crazy. You can actually have VCR EAS on Apple now. Okay, first you want to go to YouTube. Please note, if you want to have music, it's fine. However, I'm going to add music. Okay, so I know this is from Electric Fanatic, but the song is going to be in the description. No copyright strike is needed. Oh. Okay, next, you want to open Power Director. If you want, KineMaster, or if you would like CapCut, but I would highly advise you to go into CapCut. Because that's what every EAS creator knows. Really? Actually, you want to get rid of that. Then you want to add that. Yeah, well, never mind about the song. Okay, that's good. I had to make a new version. Anyway. Then you want to upload it to YouTube. The heck? Oh, there we go. Also, yeah. And end of video.